Hello everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 Rose입니다. And today we're gonna study ending consonants. So, first of all, we're gonna see this ending consonant because we can use for these three words. So this is 기억. 기억. Pronunciation is G. So let's see. First one. This is 비읍 plus 우 and plus ending consonant. 기억 is 북. 북. 북 is drum. Drum in Korean is 북. 북. We say this is 북. And next, this is 야. 이응 plus 야 is 야 plus ending consonant. G is 약. 약. 약 is medication. Medication. In Korean is 약. 약. And next, 히읗, H plus R is 하. 하 plus ending consonant. 기억 is 학. 학. 학 is crane. Crane in Korean is hak. It's kind of birds. So crane is very long neck, both crane. And look at the picture below. So this is consonant 비읍. The pronunciation is B. 비읍. 비읍. So first one, 파 plus ending consonant. 비읍 is pop. Pop. Pop is rice. Rice in Korean is pop. Pop. And 지읒 plus E is 지. G plus ending consonant. 비읍 is 집. 집. 집 is house. House in Korean is 집. 집. Next, kick plus call plus 비읍 is cup. Cup. Cup is just cup. Cup in Korean is cup. Cup. Okay. 북 is drum. 약 is medication. Crane is hak is crane. 밥 is rice. 집 is house. Cup is just cup. So that's all for me today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later, guys. 뿅.